Yep. Clap, clap. I'm sure I look like an idiot doing that, but as long as it all syncs up, we're good. That's all I fucking care about. Phone's in my pocket. Probably should have that out. Oh. Your visor fucking went down. Oh, he's fucking bopping too.
I turned my bike off for that.
I don't know what he's saying. Now we go right. Oh, something fucking stank. I bet you they cock block us, of course. Thanks, guys. Yeah, same. On your left. Alright, I'm gonna grab left lane here. Huh? Alright, hang on left at that lot right here. I need to fucking buckle my helmet up again. Yeah. Unfortunately, my fucking helmet's not buckled, so we're gonna pull in the russes here so I can actually re-buckle it. Cool. Alright, so yeah. You ready?
Sure.
You better be fucking sure.
He took his pants off.
On camera, 1080p, 4K. Pablo caught your ass lacking in 4K. Pablo caught your ass lacking in 4K nonetheless. That'll make a great video for tomorrow. That reminds me of those like videos where it's the guy and he's like, before I go to bed, just to make sure, and he pulls the pin on the fucking grenade and chucks it under there, and the guy starts screaming. Do you want uppies?
This what it's like to be you?
Yeah. You can see so far, can't you?
No, hold like foot further.
Hold the fuck up. 1 second. I don't think, did you notice this? Fuck you, Chris Potter, die. Yeah, someone must not have liked that Potter guy. Just the whole thing fucking falls after tapping it. You know what's funny is like no one can see from that camera what that poll says, so we could totally walk over and hear and say it says subscribe and follow Squid Squatch on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok and Twitch. Send me money. No. Buy me a Hayabusa, I will sell feet pics. I'm kidding. I'm not going to do that unless. Don't sound so disappointed back there, man. So this is gonna be like a random fucking topic, right? I have beef with the flavored watering companies, or flavored water companies, you know? Because like I drink like a vitamin water on Saturday because I want to drink less pop. I would have been better off just drinking a normal water and spending less money on it because there was like nothing in it. Like it tasted like watered down shit. And I fucking hate that. Like, either if you're gonna put flavoring in it, actually flavor it, or don't put flavoring in it at all, you know? A little bit of both. Oh, a Busa. Fuck, I need one of those. Wait, is that Cassidy? Hold on, that's a gray Hayabusa. That's a new model, or a newer model. Would it be funnier and shit? We're going left at the stop sign. It'd be funnier and shit if we connected to them like we did that last year. Yeah, that's an older. Yeah, that's a second gen. Now that I'm looking at it properly, he doesn't know how to ride for shit either. You can hear it in the fucking way he throttles, and he's got both his feet down still. I didn't see him until like I was already next to him. Man, it is a very nice day out. Hopefully Michigan doesn't decide to ruin that somehow in the next 2 days. Yeah, we haven't rode this long in how long? Oh my god, it's a fucking... Is that a Buell? On the right hand side? Oh. Okay. I don't know, cause it looks like it has a dual headlight almost, because Jixers only have single ones. Oh, I see. Oh, at the 600s. Or it could be a Triumph too. It could totally be a Triumph too, you know. Ah. Literally. I'm gonna really adjust myself. Oh, that guy's fucking plate says yeet. I hope I ran your glove over, you fuck. I didn't run your glove over. Hey, my 360 was recording. That'll make another pretty good video. It's fun fucking around to me. Yeah, I just now shut it down.